Welcome to Part 3 of Working with Cases in XRM4Legal. The Microsoft Dynamics CRM-xRM4Legal platform is a powerful tool that leverages a firm's existing Microsoft-based technology environment, Microsoft Windows, SQL Server, and Microsoft Office to deliver a system that is highly functional, easy to use and customize, and very affordable. This demonstration series highlights key functional requirements and capabilities provided by Microsoft CRM-xRM4Legal. These can be summarized as managing case records, assigning lawyer attorneys to work on cases, creating booking billing events, reporting on these events, adding expenses, creating an invoice, printing an invoice, and showing the status of invoices. Along the way, we will see how we can enter hourly rates, record invoice descriptions, approve an invoice, and leave an invoice on hold. In addition to adding expenses in CRM using the Time Tracking Manager, users can also use the Outlook or Docketing Only client. To add an expense, click the Pro RM menu in Outlook and click the Add Expense button. Expanding the task list view will display the project cases for the logged in user. To add an expense, select the project case and enter the description and amount. To add an expense, that is a travel cost, you will select type, from, as well as distance. To review booking billing events and expenses, click the Time Tracking Approval from within the Case Management module. From here we can select the client customer and the project case. Once displayed, we can click the Approve Bookings button. We will be prompted to approve. Once entries are approved, we can produce an invoice. To create a new invoice, we click on the Invoices folder and click New. We will be prompted for a name, client, and price list. Once we click the Save button, we can click the Invoicing button to start the invoice wizard. Here we will mark the line items to invoice, select the applicable tax rate and service item, and click the Create Invoice button. From here we can close the window by clicking and click the Approve button to approve the invoice for total amount including tax to appear. Clicking the Send button sends the invoice to the client. For each invoice saved, click the related bookings billing events to view details, or the clearing service items to view details. To view the status of invoices, click the required System view from the Invoices folder list view. So this has been a review of adding expenses, reviewing booking docketing events, approving entries, and producing an invoice. This ends Part 3 of working with cases in XRM4Legal.